If you're pretty sure there's an app on your iPhone and you can't find it, it could be because that app is hidden. I'm going to show you 3 different places to be able to look to find any of those hidden apps, and of course, unhide them if you choose to do so. So let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to do is just take your finger and swipe down and just search for it within the spotlight. So I'm going to search for Instagram here because that app is hidden. But you can see even when I search for it, it doesn't show up. So if it does show up, of course, you can just tap on it and add it to your home screen. If it doesn't, swipe to the left until you get to the app library. And from here, again, you can just search for the app Instagram. And again, it doesn't show up for me. So it is in the hidden folder, and that's where we'll look next. Swipe to the very bottom within the app library. And you can see at the bottom right is hidden. Tap on that and use your Face ID to reveal that app. And if you see it in here, just press and hold on the app and hit Don't Require Face ID. Let me try that again. And just like that, it will be removed from this hidden folder and it will be back in my app library. There it is at the top left. However, if it still doesn't work, you still are not able to see that app, it's most likely because of a restriction in your settings. So open up the settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Screen Time, and then scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. From here, just tap on Allowed Apps and Features. If this is turned off and you have content and privacy restrictions on, it will prevent you from being able to access or use any of these apps. So you can either just toggle it on here or just hit the back arrow and turn off content and privacy restrictions. Keep in mind, if there is a screen time password, you will need to enter it in to be able to toggle that off. I hope this helps. I know your day is busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of it here with me today. And I'll catch you on the next one.